adultery and mistress. They are also the source of income by their own partner. What's that? This we are very funny, huh? You're very funny girl, huh? Look at her. I will slap on you. This one. Look at the mistress of Eagles. The Valdez. No, Valdez is the Eagles is the source of money. Money. He using the baby to Eagles. Right? The Valdez mistress. She using. Oh, what about your friends? Your Filipino friends, E.T.? They are also source of income their own partner. Look at them. They abandoned their husband to go to the foreigner to have source their income that they had the better life. Oh. You're very crazy, no? You're totally crazy. Crazy. The more you telling about what you call that a lie story, the more you describe your own friends. Look at your teacher. Because of Eagles, meet on teachers of Fisher. So the teacher is the source, what you call that? Fisher is the source of her income. And also your friend. Look at your Filipino friend. That they abandon their own husband. Their partner is the source of income, their own, to have a better life. The more you said that, Keeping said, Princess Marianne is a mistress. Oh, what about the Valdez? The Eagles mistress. Look what she did. She make pregnant to have a source income from Eagles. Wow. Wow. Congratulations, HK Valdez.
Maestra, she's not teaching.
Oo.
Ginawa niya
your that baby is your source income for Eagles? Really?
Yung himong katasan.
Really? Whatever you take, Elian, all your friends, I already know them, who they are. The more you said that the mistress, why you not turn around? You cannot judge your own leader, Eagles?
Ay, wala kay allowance?
Because you're afraid that no allowance? No feeding? You're afraid to bash with your own leader? I know you know it. You're not blind. You know that your leader, Eagles, had a mistress Valdez. You cannot judge. Even, remember, your dictator, remember? The dictator? Remember that? The woman that living in Dumaguete. You remember that you are the one bashing on her. Remember that? Now you become friends for her because you using for her. And she also using for you to bash on me. Oh, what a great pattern. It's so funny. You playing each other and fooling around each other. Congratulations. Hi, Marga. Oh, Marga. The ET is mad with you.